Welcome to the channel. Today, we're showing you how to remove your profile picture on Gmail using your PC with the latest update. It's a straightforward process, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in Gmail, click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a small menu with several options. From the menu, select Manage your Google account. This will direct you to a new tab where you can adjust your Google account settings. In the new tab, click on Personal Information, located on the left-hand side. This will bring up your personal profile details. Next, click on your profile picture to open the image settings. You'll see options to update or remove your picture. Click on Remove to delete your current profile picture. Confirm the action when prompted to complete the process. And that's it. Your profile picture has been successfully removed. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and updates. Thanks for watching.